I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by going straight to Settings and tapping Battery so you can act now. Once in Battery, look for Low Power Mode and flip the toggle on. This immediately reduces background fetch, automatic downloads, and visual effects to save power. Make sure you're not charging. Low Power Mode disables automatically above 80%. You'll see the battery icon turn yellow. That's a quick confirmation. Now that it's enabled, your iPhone will conserve battery without changing your basic usage. Once done with settings, customize Control Center so you can toggle Low Power Mode instantly. Open Settings Control Center and add Low Power Mode. You can also create a shortcuts automation to enable it at a chosen battery percentage. Tap Automation, New Automation, Battery Level, then turn on Low Power Mode. This saves time and ensures automatic activation. Make sure to weigh the trade-offs. You'll see slightly reduced performance and delayed background updates, which is why this is ideal for conserving critical battery life. You finish by confirming the yellow battery icon or viewing the battery widget to see the percentage drop and the low power mode indicator. If you want normal performance, turn the toggle off or let it auto-disable above 80%. If low power mode doesn't appear in Settings or Control Center, make sure you've added it to Control Center, restart the iPhone, and check for an iOS update. These fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, reset settings as a last resort to restore controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.